have until April 18th this year to complete your return or ask for that extension. Now, this is 3 days later than normal. Usually it's April 15th. This is because Washington, D.C. is observing Emancipation Day as a holiday on April 15th. The deadline is further extended for tornado and storm victims in Arkansas, Illinois, Kentucky, and Tennessee, as well as wildfire victims in Colorado. Treasury officials are already warning, though, of processing delays. The IRS has millions of backlog returns because of the pandemic and because of limited funding for the agency. If you're owed a refund, the typical turnaround is still 21 days, and that's if you opt for direct deposit. They say it keeps it a little bit quicker. So we want to be able to give you some specifics that might help you out, but there are some changes this year that could mean more money for you or maybe less, depending on what your situation is. Fox 4's Stephanie Fernandez joining us live. She has been speaking with a tax preparer to give us the short list of what we can keep in mind this time around. Steph?
Patrick, there are some changes to the advanced child tax credit and significant tax law changes for the 2021 season.
Bill Antar's fingers are busy these days as tax season cranks into gear. He owns Cape Coral Tax and Accounting Services. And like other tax preparers, he wants his clients to know the IRS is sending letters this month. The letters let them know the amount they received with their third round of stimulus checks and the amount they received with the advanced child tax credit.
They can take those documents to their tax preparer and we can figure out exactly what they should have gotten for the child tax credit and the third round stimulus and get them the difference between what they got and what they should be getting.
He says there was an increased advanced child tax credit for people making $75,000 filing individually and married couples making $150,000.
You would get an additional $1,000 of child tax credit for children 6 and older, and under 6 there was an additional $1,600 of child tax credit. That's what you're going to be getting or be entitled to on your tax return. Half of that was paid up front in 6 monthly payments to taxpayers. Almost everybody got it as a direct deposit into their checking account, and the rest of which they'll be able to claim on their tax return.
He also says unemployment benefits will be taxable this year.
In 2020, unemployment for certain taxpayers who met certain income criteria, $10,400 of unemployment benefit was tax-free. In 2021, that is not the case. So all unemployment benefits are taxable this year.
Again, the deadline to file your 2021 taxes or ask for an extension is April 18th, 2022. Live in the newsroom, Stephanie Fernandez, Fox 4.
Thank you, Stephanie.